How to sync audio and video on CapCut. First thing first, head over to your application CapCut. Click on New Project. Select the videos from here that you want to sync. Once you have selected, click on Add at the bottom right corner. Now let's say you want to add the audio to this video. Click on Audio at the bottom. Click on Sounds. Click on this fire icon. Tons of different audios will be available to you. You can click on any one of it and add it. Let's say I want to add this song. Click on this plus icon. Well, the audio has been uploaded. Now click on the audio and then click on Beats. Tap on Auto Generate. Click on Add Beats. Well, the beats has been added to the audio. Click on the stick icon at the bottom right. Well, now you can just play this audio. You will be able to see the yellow dot, which means that it is a beat. Now, according to the beat, you have to split the video. Let me split it right here. And then delete the other part of the video. Once that has been deleted, the second video will appear. Well, now this video has been synced with the audio. Let me play it from the first. There you can see that the video has been synced with the audio. Likewise, if you want to sync more videos, you will have to split the video at the beat. And then it will be synced. So that's it, and this is simply how you can sync audio and videos on CapCut. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.